welcome to Stella's Baking Adventures. I'm Stella, and today we're going to be making Fruitsicles. I'm so excited to share this yummy treat with you. Now, before we get started, remember to hit the like button down below. Okay, let's go! Here's the ingredients that you need to make your Fruitsicles. Now, the fruit that I'm going to be using are strawberries, blueberries, and pineapple. But you don't have to use those fruits if you don't like them. You can use any fruit that you would like. Now the next ingredient is pink lemonade and pineapple orange juice. And then the utensils that you're going to need to use are popsicle molds. You can use as many as you like. I'm going to be using 10 popsicle molds because I'm making 10 popsicles for my family. And then the last ingredient that you're going to need is a spoon. Okay? Now here's how to make them. First, what you're going to do is you're going to take your spoon and your popsicle mold. I'm going to be using my big popsicle mold. And you're going to take whatever fruit that you like. You're just going to scoop it up and put it into a mold. Now I'm going to be using 2, so I'm going to have to put a layer on the blueberries and the strawberries that I'm using. So I'm just going to scoop some strawberries. Okay, now it's time to pour the juice in it. I'm going to be using pink lemonade on it. Now make sure you have adult supervision while you're pouring this, because if you make a mess, then you may get in a little bit of trouble. There we go. Now you have your first Fruitsicle made. Now that I've made my first batch of Fruitsicles, we're going to put them in the freezer for 4 to 6 hours, or you could do it overnight. Now I'm going to go ahead and pop these in the freezer. Now that the Fruitsicles are done, we're going to taste test them. I have my brother here to help me. Okay, are you ready?
Ready? Let's try this.
Oh. They're very cold, so careful. Ah!
Oh.
You ready? That is so
Oh
good.
my gosh, that is...
That's delicious. What do you think, Xander?
Score 9 out of 10.
Oh. Bye, I'll see you next time on Stella's Baking Adventures.